Quite recently there's been a few changes in Liverpool. We've got a few ANPR cameras picking up on certain areas, and this is one of them here. There's a yellow box coming up, and for years I've known people just to totally ignore it and just go into it. However, people now will be getting a ticket. Personally, thinking about particular areas, knowing where these particular areas are is pretty irrelevant for me. Let's just have a little look to see what's gone on down here. Loads of people in it.
And this is the camera up here on this post.
I'm just going to pull into this second lane, so that is going to give that car a ticket. There's a post up here to my left hand side, so the white Audi there has got a ticket. Hopefully this will then educate people into leaving these yellow boxes free, not just here but all the time. But potentially all it does is just get people to leave this yellow box clear, and then they'll go to the next one which hasn't got a camera ANPR system on it. It's going to give you a ticket, and they'll just go in it. So that's why for me these areas I don't really care about, and I don't teach my students to know these particular areas. All I'll do is I'll just teach my students to only be certain that they can clear the yellow box and then go through. It's that simple. So let's have a little look at this. Yeah, we're good. So yep, this white Audi A3 to my left hand side, they will probably be getting a ticket in a post. Shall I say to him? Hi buddy, do you know that's an ANPR camera system on that yellow box there?
What, sorry?
There's an ANPR camera on that yellow box. You were sat in it, you'll probably get a ticket, you know, mate.
What's that? The back end was just in it, weren't it?
You'll still get a ticket? Yeah. Sorry to chuck that one at you, boss. Alright, cheers.
Do you know where such a place is? Around here, I've just come to work.
Alright mate, take it easy. He's obviously going to be a little bit gutted, but it is what it is. Yellow boxes, it doesn't matter whether you know that there's a camera system on it or not. Leave them clear. That one is particularly important because it's outside a fire station. But leave them all clear. It's not that complicated. It's just a lack of planning and just poor habits that then make people go in these yellow boxes. Just improve your habits. It's that simple.